Alright guys, this is every engine type explained. First we have the inline engine, and these engines, the cylinders are arranged in a straight line. This engine is most common in compact and mid-sized cars like the Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, all that. It's a smooth and simple design and helps with maintenance and repairs. It's a smooth and simple design, and it's great for maintenance and makes repairs cheaper. So first we have the Inline 4, which is the most fuel efficient out of the two. It's affordable to make and keep, and it's best for economy cars that get you from point A to point B, from your house to Canes, from Canes to your job, and then from your job to back home. Then we have the Inline 6, which is a very smooth and balanced engine, but this time it has more power and torque, which, who doesn't want that? But since it's a longer engine, it doesn't fit in smaller vehicles, so don't expect a Civic to have an inline 6. Next, we have V engines. Now, for V engines, these are pretty much cylinders that are arranged in a V shape, okay? And the advantages of this is that it's more compact than an inline engine for the same amount of cylinders. So for the V engines, we have the V6, which is a very balanced choice for power and efficiency. It's found in sports cars and larger family sedans like the Toyota Camry or the Honda Accord. Next, we have a V8. Now, we love the sound of this one. It's pretty much the same as a V6, but 2 more cylinders, and it's best for muscle cars, cars that you just want to be more powerful and louder too, if you want, but mostly more power. And finally, we have the V10/the V12. This engine is usually meant for supercars. I'm talking Lambo, Ferrari, Aston Martin, said with the accent too. And I'm genuinely curious if there is a Camry out there with a V10 engine. They have one, let me know. I'm in the market. Now, next we have the Boxer engine. Now, these are engines where the cylinders lie flat and move horizontally. This engine has a lower center of gravity to help with handling and cornering. This helps reduce body roll, and some cars that have this are some Subarus and the Porsche 911 series. Which, yeah. Next, we have the rotary engine. This thing has no pistons, uses a spinning triangle inside an oval housing. This thing has high revs. It's lightweight, it's smooth. For example, the Mazda RX-7 has a rotary engine. Couple downsides though, terrible fuel economy. If you're broke already, trying to pay for the car, and you're trying to pay for the gas too, good luck. The emissions are terrible, so CO2 and that, and reliability issues. It's up to you if you want to deal with that. Next, we have an electric motor. Okay, no fuel, no pistons, just straight iPhone. Okay, these are smooth, silent, insanely quick acceleration, like a Tesla, BYD. What other companies are there? The F-150 Lightning, if anybody actually bought that. There are fewer moving parts, less maintenance, but it actually requires you to charge it up like a phone. Software updates, battery degradation. Overall, if you're a civilian, this is for you. But if you're more of an enthusiast and you like cars, actually like driving cars, this is not for you, I'm telling you. Next, we have hybrid engines. Now, this is pretty popular. This pretty much combines a gas engine plus an electric motor. This gives you amazing gas mileage. And you can see that with the Prius. There are 2 main types of hybrid cars. There's parallel hybrid, where the gas engine and electric motor can put power to the wheels, like the Prius. And there's a series hybrid, where the gas engine is only meant to charge the battery, and then the electric motor is the one that pushes power to all the wheels. Yeah, this is cool. Lower emissions, all that jazz. Again, if you're an enthusiast, I don't recommend, unless you're driving a brand new Ferrari or Lamborghini. Those are hybrids as well. Next, we have diesel engine. These things are similar to gas engines, but they run on diesel instead. So there's more torque with these engines, which is great for towing, long distance driving, and they're more fuel efficient. For example, you'll see a lot of trucks, maybe a Volkswagen, for some reason, and other very big vehicles use diesel, right? Giant trucks, pickup trucks, all that, they use diesel because you need to tow. And there are a couple downsides though. The emissions are terrible, strict regulations, and the noise. Now, I have a bonus. We're going to talk about turbocharged engines, supercharged engines, and naturally aspirated. Turbocharged engines, they use exhaust gases to spin this turbine that forces more air into the engine. So pretty much this gives more power to the engine or to the car without making the engine bigger. And this is good in sports cars. Then we have supercharged. It's driven by a belt that is connected directly into the engine, which immediate power, no lag, 0 ping. It's found in cars like the Hellcat, Jaguar F-Type, and more. Then we have naturally aspirated engines, no turbo, no supercharger, simple, easy. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know. Peace.